Dallas ice fishing.
First snow of the year, 2024. Let's go. First, we gotta get ourselves to the lake. Everything is frozen out here, so let's see if I can get in. Uh-oh. Dang it. Everything is frozen out here at the pond. I don't know. Might have to go over to the broken bridge. We got something. I think it's a largemouth bass. This bass has 2 bluegill and a senko in his stomach. Let's release in hot grease. Look at that bad boy. Beautiful. Make sure it's all fried up nice. Stay grateful.